Hi, this is Priya from Priya Dance Company and welcome to the Folk Fusion Project. Today we learn the two basic steps of Garba, the folk dance of Gujarat, Teen Tali and Heech. So let's begin. Teen Tali, as the name suggests, is to clap thrice. We'll do 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So for the sake of this video, let's do 1, 2, 3. Let's try that once again. The arms of Teen Tali. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do the footwork of Teen Tali. So we'll begin with our right leg that moves forward. So that's a right front, left step in your own place, right back, left in your own place, right front, left step, right back, left step. The footwork of Teen Tali with count starting from your right leg in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and front step, back step, front step, back step. Let's try the arms and the footwork together with the count in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and. The next step is called Heech. Let's begin with the arms. We start with a clap. Either it could be in your own place or it could be down below. Move to your left first. So I'm moving to my left. When I'm moving to my left hand is up and my right hand is in an L. Come back into a clap. Move on your right. In this case, your left hand is straight and my right hand is up. So clap to my left, clap to my right, clap to my left, clap to my right. And when I'm moving to the right and the left, I'm taking a snap. So let's try that with the count. Arms of Heech in 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can add a little variation by really bending down and then coming up just for a little more dramatic effect. So let's try that with the counts. Arms of Heech in 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Footwork of Heech. In the first count, just join your legs, keep them together. That's a 1. A 2 is you take your left leg, move it back. Come back into a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you can add variations. You can either really bend and go back up. The weight is still on my front leg, not on the back leg. Or you can stand and get back. Whatever variation you like. Let's try the footwork of Heech with the counts in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try the arms and the legs of Heech together with the count in 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'll show you another variation where you really bend down. In this case, you'll also be taking your head down just for a little more dramatic effect. Arms and foot of Heech with the counts in 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Fantastic. Now let's try to combine Teen Tali and Heech. So let's take one set of Teen Tali along with two sets of Heech. Teen Tali was 1, 2, 3. Heech twice is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. So first Teen Tali just once, which is 1, 2, 3. And when you take the clap, you bring your back leg, join it to the other leg, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. the combination of Teen Tali and Heech with the counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Back, 2, back. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Back, 2, back. Fantastic. So this was Teen Tali and Heech for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and watch out for more such tutorial videos coming right on our Folk Fusion project.